If you've already watched my previous video on cleaning out the drain pump trap and are still getting the F9E1 or the F8E3 error codes, try these steps next. Turn off the power to the washing machine. Wait about 30 seconds. Then you're going to select any 3 buttons and call them 1, 2, and 3. Press 1, then 2, then 3. Repeat this 2 more times. You should now be in service mode. We can see the error code in service mode. Let's clear that by holding down button 3 for 5 seconds. Exit service mode by holding down button 1 for 5 seconds. Go ahead and test and see if the problem still persists. If you are still getting the error code and the door is locking on you, it's time to look at the drain pump motor itself. You can see this one is very hot. This tells me that it is getting the correct voltage. I've already checked the drain basket. It's clear. There's no obstructions. So this motor is bad. Let's replace it. Unplug the power. Going to tip this back. 4 screws holding this drain pump. And it comes with the screen too. It's the whole thing. And I got it tipped back. Doesn't have to be, but it makes it easier to remove the screws, or else you would have to use a ratchet. I understand sometimes there's not enough room to tip it back. Got all the screws removed. Now to remove the drain hose itself. We also want to make sure that nothing's clogging this. And we have the main power coming in, which is just this plug. Unplug that. Here's our new pump. This is the part number for the model I'm working on. I don't know if it'll work with your washing machine or not. So make sure it matches up. Ooh, our plug connection's broke, or that holds in the plug, but this will still work. Just gonna put my hand up here. Sometimes stuff gets stuck, and then we're just gonna line up the holes. Just gonna twist that in until I feel it go up. And once that's nice and even, the screws will do the rest of the work. Now we can put our drain hose back on. I don't like that it's broke, but what are you gonna do? All right, tub's full of water, no leaks. Let's make sure it drains and that there continues to be no leaks. I'm gonna turn this off and it should drain. You can hear the drain. Don't hear any water dripping. That's how you fix a long drain. Thanks for watching.